Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the human body. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the major organs in the human body and how they function together to keep us alive and thriving. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have the brain. The brain is the control center of our body. It receives and processes information from our senses, enabling us to think, reason, and make decisions. It also regulates our body's functions through the nervous system, which sends electrical signals to different parts of the body. Connected to the brain is the spinal cord, which serves as a pathway for information to travel between the brain and the rest of the body. It also controls simple reflexes, such as pulling your hand away from a hot stove without conscious thought. Moving on to the heart, our magnificent muscular pump. The heart circulates blood throughout our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to our cells while removing waste products. It has 4 chambers that work together to maintain a steady flow of blood and keep us alive. Now, let's talk about the lungs. These spongy organs help us breathe by taking in oxygen from the air and expelling carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. The oxygen is then transported by the blood to every cell in our body, fueling their activities. Next, we have the liver, one of the body's most vital organs. The liver performs a multitude of functions, including filtering toxins from the blood, producing bile for digestion, storing vitamins and minerals, and metabolizing various substances to maintain a stable internal environment. Moving down to the digestive system, we encounter the stomach and intestines. The stomach breaks down food with its powerful acids, while the intestines absorb nutrients and water from the digested food. They work together to provide our body with essential energy and building blocks. Now, let's focus on the kidneys. These bean-shaped organs are responsible for filtering waste products, excess water, and toxins from the blood to produce urine. They also regulate the body's fluid balance, electrolyte levels, and blood pressure, playing a critical role in maintaining homeostasis. Last but not least, we have the skin, the largest organ of the human body. The skin protects us from external threats, regulates body temperature, and acts as a barrier between our internal organs and the environment. It's truly remarkable how it shields us from harm. In a spiritual sense, various organs of the human body can be associated with symbolic meanings and representations. It's important to note that these interpretations can vary across different spiritual and cultural beliefs. Here are some examples. Brain. The brain is often associated with consciousness, intelligence, and the seat of the mind. In spiritual contexts, it can represent higher awareness, intuition, and spiritual growth. Heart. The heart is often seen as the center of emotions, love, and compassion. In a spiritual sense, it can symbolize the essence of one's soul, the connection to divine love, and the capacity for unconditional love. Lungs. The lungs are essential for breathing, and from a spiritual perspective, they can represent the breath of life and the connection between the physical and spiritual realms. Deep and mindful breathing is often associated with meditation and spiritual practices. Liver. In some spiritual traditions, the liver is associated with emotions, purification, and detoxification. It can symbolize the release of negative emotions and the ability to let go of past burdens, allowing for spiritual growth and renewal. Digestive system. The digestive system, including the stomach and intestines, is associated with the process of assimilation and transformation. In a spiritual sense, it can represent the ability to digest and integrate life experiences, extract wisdom from them, and nourish the soul. Kidneys. The kidneys are often associated with filtering and purifying the blood. In a spiritual context, they can symbolize the ability to cleanse and release negative energies or emotions, fostering spiritual purity and balance. Skin. The skin serves as a protective barrier between the internal and external environment. From a spiritual perspective, it can symbolize boundaries, individuality, and the interface between the physical and spiritual realms. It's important to recognize that these interpretations are symbolic and may vary depending on personal beliefs, cultural backgrounds, and spiritual traditions. It's always best to explore and understand spiritual concepts within the context of your own belief system and seek guidance from spiritual leaders or teachers if needed. So there you have it, an overview of some of the major organs in the human body and their functions. Each of these organs plays a crucial role, working together harmoniously to keep us alive and functioning optimally. It's truly awe-inspiring to think about the complexity of our bodies. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through our incredible human anatomy. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Until next time, stay curious and take care of your amazing body.